Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to numbering page in Google Docs. So here is my file on Google Docs, and as you can see, there is no page number in it, and I'm going to show you how to numbering page in Google Docs. Okay, so if you want to number the page of your file, you can just go to Insert and then scroll down until you find the page numbers option, and in here you see there are several types of page number in here. There is the one at the top right, the one at the bottom like this, so you can just choose one of them, or you can also click on more option to see the more option. You can choose whether you want to put the page number in the header or the footer. You can also choose whether you want to show the page number in the first page or not, and you can choose the numbering start at what number. So in this case, I'm going to just choose click on the header. I'm going to choose the footer for the page number and start at 1, and after that just click on apply, and the page number will be appear at the bottom like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can numbering page in Google Docs. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos.